What if I told you there's one simple movement that could reduce your knee pain in just a few minutes every morning? Most people over 50 think knee pain is permanent, something they just have to live with. But what if that's not true? What if the real problem is not your age, but what you're not doing every day? And here's the shocking part. Many common exercises actually make knee pain worse over time. As we age, the muscles around our knees get weaker, especially the quadriceps, hamstrings, and supporting joints. This creates pressure on the knee, leading to stiffness, pain, and discomfort when walking, standing, or climbing stairs. And slowly, simple daily movements start feeling harder than they should. Maybe you've felt it too. That moment when standing up feels painful, or when your knees don't feel as stable as before. It's frustrating, and sometimes even a little scary. But here's the good news. You don't need intense workouts. You don't need expensive treatments. You just need one simple daily movement that strengthens your knees naturally and improves flexibility over time. This exercise is called the seated knee extension hold. It's simple, safe, and perfect for anyone over 50. Sit comfortably on a chair, keep your back straight, and slowly extend one leg forward. Hold it straight for 5 to 10 seconds, then slowly bring it back down. Repeat this 10 times. Then switch to the other leg. This movement strengthens the muscles that support your knees, reduces pressure on the joint, and improves stability while walking. Now, here's the interesting part. Doing this exercise is powerful, but if you're making one small mistake during the day, it can cancel all your progress. And in the next part, I'll show you what that mistake is and how to fix it instantly. Now, before you think this exercise alone is enough, there's something you need to know, because one small daily habit could be making your knee pain worse without you even realizing it. That mistake is sitting for too long. After 50, your joints become more sensitive, and when you sit for hours, your knees stay in a bent position. This reduces blood flow, stiffens the joint, and increases pain when you finally stand up. So even if you do the exercise in the morning, but sit most of the day, your knee pain can slowly come back. But here's the simple fix. Every 45 to 60 minutes, stand up, walk for just 1 to 2 minutes, or gently stretch your legs. This keeps your joints active, improves circulation, and reduces stiffness naturally. Many people notice, after just a few days of doing this, their knees feel less tight, walking becomes smoother, and that sharp discomfort starts fading away. But that's not the only mistake. Another thing most people do wrong is rushing the movement. When you do the seated leg exercise, don't rush it. Lift your legs slowly, hold it with control, and lower it gently. Because fast movements don't build strength, they increase strain. Slow and controlled movement is what actually heals your knees. Here's a small bonus tip. If you want faster results, do this exercise twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening. Now here's what most people don't realize. This one exercise is powerful, but your recovery depends on something even bigger: your daily habits, and what you do after this video. In the next part, I'll show you how to protect your knees long term and avoid pain coming back again. Now, here's the truth most people don't hear. Knee pain doesn't go away just because of one exercise. It improves when your daily habits support your joints. After 50, your body needs two things more than ever: movement and support. If your muscles are weak, your knees take all the pressure. And if your joints are stiff, even simple movements become painful. So here's what you should do. Combine that one simple exercise with small daily habits. Walk a little every day. Keep your body moving and avoid staying in one position too long. These small actions protect your knees in the long run. It's not about doing more, it's about doing the right things. consistently. Think about this: being able to walk without pain, stand up with ease, move freely inside your home. These are not small things. They are your independence, your confidence, your freedom. And the truth is, if you ignore knee pain today, it doesn't stay the same. It slowly gets worse, until even simple steps feel difficult. But you can change that, starting today. Just a few minutes every morning, one simple movement, and a little more awareness during your day can make a huge difference over time. Try this exercise today, stay consistent, and listen to your body. And if this helped you, make sure to watch the next video, because what you learn next could save your knees in the future.